can't. Bad?
It's just a lot of talking.
With my texting too?
That's exactly what it is. That's what I'm talking about.
Yo.
Yo. What's goody, Frankie?
What's goody, Benji?
Oh, there goes Meta. Alright, deal on that. I'm probably have the video here off the open, Frankie.
Yeah, I actually was just charting this in the pre-market high from Friday.
Yeah, it lines up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks to be something special right there.
Yo, you officially on Moomoo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Nvidia, Frankie. I like BA at 178.52 as well.
Why?
Or 178.50.
I saw that while I was in the car coming back home. I'm not a fan of that. So, Apple, I really like. I like that at 193.
Yeah.
It really just comes down to if I prefer Nvidia or Apple.
We full
For
port in
me.
GameStop at 46.
GameStop can go fall off a cliff for all I care, honestly.
Yo, Nvidia's.
But for those wondering why I really like Apple this morning, I talked about it on the Sunday Stock Watch list yesterday. It is in a ascending wedge. If you don't count the pre-market action that it had a few days ago, then
Wait. So he
Go to his Instagram.
Yeah, that looks good on Apple, Frankie.
is Nor going to be here? Judging from his past, like 6 years, 7 years of being here every morning, the high chance of him not being here is like it's like a
Right.
0.002% chance. So
I don't think you guys understand, bro. Me and Frankie have been here for like 4 years, and he's never missed a day.
he's legit missed one day the time I've been here.
Yeah, like
Nvidia?
one day.
Yeah,
Yes,
probably.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Where on Nvidia though?
11:35.
11:35. Why 35 though? The double top?
It lines up with Friday's high.
Oh, you guys are sick.
What do you like, Mr.
Nah, I
Big
like
Shot? Oh,
I'm saying you guys
Hey.
are sick. On this PC, I don't have it fully set up, but at least I have I have this up.
that's what I'm saying, Alex.
What is it? Just Nvidia, Tesla, and what else? Oh, BA I saw.
Apple
Tesla's
Apple
far.
looks crazy.
I
I know you don't like trading Apple, but to me, Apple has a crazy
I'd
setup.
rather not, bro.
That's fine. I know, like I said, I know you hate trading it.
I think I'm good on Apple as well, to be honest. Oh, there goes Nvidia.
Yeah,
All
just
right.
broke.
Never mind.
So, do you guys like BA at that 178.50 area or what?
I do not, personally.
Guys, sorry for the false alarm. The day in the life and tutorial. I know the day in the life should go up today. Tutorial should be up tomorrow, but that's all pre-recorded already. So sorry for the false hope. I really don't have that GME itch, but I guess you guys do.
I don't have anything on it, so I'm good off of that. That's all you, big man.
It's straight Herbery. Who traded
I'm
that,
looking
bro?
at Nvidia.
Which ones?
What contracts you looking at, Frankie?
I'm not looking at it anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Savage.
I like the 10. I guess it's the 1050 to the 1200s, right?
1050.
Maybe the 1180s more.
Wait, why is Joe sending a screenshot of my story in here? All right.
Nvidia just got another upgrade as well. I just got the news.
$11.42 doesn't look bad on Nvidia. I feel like it's really stretching the play out though. I mean, Nori, are you looking at anything or nah?
No yet.
All right.
Yeah, it would definitely have to be the 1200s for the video, probably. BA is going for it. Not taking that right up the open, personally.
Does those even have a volume Benji or no?
I don't even have it pulled up.
What?
Benji's BA play.
Oh, they just
It
shot
would've
through
paid.
179.
I don't even know if those contracts are open, though. You know what I mean?
What?
Yo, is it earnings week for Nvidia? Yo,
Yeah, bro. They're
what
stupid.
the hell, bro? What
Wait,
is
what
this?
What?
Bro,
They're
is it earnings week for Nvidia?
It's just the way it's moving, bro. It's up 3.7% in the morning.
Nvidia's going, or Meta's going for 471. My play kind of got ruined on that, though. I liked it at 470 pre-market.
Someone said Jimmy's already halted. That's funny.
Yo, it's going for that support at 37.
Good. I wanted to see support at 10.
Yeah, no, I should have never posted my car.
Do you select Nvidia here, Nor?
The 3 people asking me for
What happened, Frankie?
Do you still like Nvidia here if it ends up coming up without the market?
Yeah, these are expensive
Oh,
though.
they halted GME.
Yeah, I know.
How much are these? Let's see.
1200 are gonna be like 900 by the time we play at 1000.
Yo, 1200.
This is the only ones we can play, Nor, that are like good.
I mean,
They're actually the only ones with volume too. Like,
for
decent
now,
volume.
I am looking at that. Looking at the 1200 calls on Nvidia.
Your only other option are the 1150s.
Tesla's pushing too here.
We still got some time on. I have 183.
Me
That's
too.
where I would plan to take that.
For the upside, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Where would you take this now?
Yo, Kevin. Okay. All right,
What do you
Kev.
said? Google? Nice.
All right, let's see. The market here still kind of at low day. Nvidia did recover at least a little bit here.
Yo, Meta at 471 would have been sick, bro. Had a $2 push.
I'm not touching Meta.
Nvidia's starting to push up without the market here.
Yeah. Market's actually dropping. I actually might take this.
I'm not gonna take it at the high. I'm not sure about you. I'm gonna wait for 1140 or close to.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait too. It just made a high. I'm looking at the 1200 calls on Nvidia. I'm in these. Just finally
There it
broke.
goes. looking for 1142, Nor. I'm not sure about you, but
Futures just started pushing here, and Nvidia was ahead, so I'm gonna allow this to get moving here. Do we have any trends I need to worry about?
not that I saw, but
There we go.
go.
Obviously, you guys can scale out whenever.
Let's hold right there. So, he's looking for the scalp.
How much you make percentage?
I got 40 cents on the contracts. I don't even know what that is on these.
Market's dropping as well. That's the only reason I'm holding on to these right now. There you go, new high. I'm looking to sell half. Market's still dropping. Nvidia with the pullback.
Taking a video on the inverse H would have been sick, but I didn't see the
I was going to, and then you said you're not taking it. I was like, I won't take it either. I'll wait.
Yeah, even though it looked really good ahead, I just didn't want to. It's a Monday. I didn't want to start.
NQ's getting cracked, guys.
Someone said BA took off.
Yeah, I have it on my chart. I just didn't.
Oh, yeah.
Still in now?
Yep.
Yo, Tesla's almost at 182, Frankie.
Yeah, I know. I'm hovering the chart right now. I'm just looking at everything else. We still got some time on it, so I'm not too worried about it.
182.50, there's like a double top in that area.
Where's the trend line? Hold on, let me go to the 4-hour where my trend line breaks. So on the 4-hour, the trend line breaks actually at 182. So it's going to be good to judge Tesla how it reacts here. Those wondering on what I'm talking about, I talked about this in the Sunday stock watch list as well.
Oh, man. Nvidia just allowing this to develop here. Let's see what it does above 1141, 1142.
Nor, do you want us to let you know if Tesla gets close or no?
Nah.
Okay.
Really. Just talk over me though for the chat.
Okay.
Nvidia new high. It's a very simple trade here, guys. Market's starting to push here.
Tesla got a good pullback on 182.
Nvidia's ripping.
This is where the trend line breaks too, Benji. If you put on the
Should I
4-hour with the indicator.
See.
Literally rejected right off of it on the 1 minute.
Yo, yeah. Probably gonna pull that up, honestly.
I think I'm still gonna wait for 183 personally.
Nvidia's holding 1140 pretty nicely.
Yeah, that's what I'm paying attention to.
Yeah, it's still ripping.
SK, I'm good off of ARM.
I'm trying to get most of the contracts gone here on Nvidia so I can allow the runners to do what it wants. I have room up to 1150. So I'm gonna just leave this for now. I haven't sold half yet on Nvidia. I'm looking to sell at least past 1144. If we get a good spike there, I'm gonna try to leave it for 1145, and then I'll leave half there. But it's whatever you're comfortable with.
Yo, Mo, what is that? Oh. I thought that was GME, like a GME contract. I was like, I doubt that was the case. That makes sense.
GME goes 47.50 to 0.
That's Benji. That's a crazy rejection off that trend line off the. I don't know if I like it enough though. At 182 as an entry. Maybe a hold above this trend line and how it holds above 182 is probably it for me. Benji, what's your whole plan with Tesla?
I kind of want to do like half at the high and half at that 182.50 and just sell in the 183 break. To be honest, but
I just say we've pushed $3 so far on Tesla.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to wait for 183 because of that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Meta's shooting here.
Yeah.
BA's still
There's
going.
182.
BA's wild.
Yeah.
183. Market's pushing now, squeezing.
Frankie, now Tesla kind of looks like it's like maybe doing its own thing here.
It's still moving close to NQ. That's my only problem with this. Yo, Nick, okay.
Yo.
100% flat.
That's a sick screenshot.
Shout out Benji for the BA play.
You guys send Benji commissions now.
Yeah.
Yo, fam. Get like a paper towel.
It's not wet. I put it on the floor.
Yeah, that's easy. Anything close here, Frankie?
No.
How long has Frankie been in Discord?
Long time.
Since 2022?
I'm glad I
Before
waited
that.
for Tesla, so I think it's good just to wait for
Just
that
send a
and see how
screenshot
it
to
reacts
me.
above
Or Ian.
182.
I took a 5% loss with a half size there
On what, Benji?
at the 182 on Tesla.
No early entries on Tesla, bro. And nothing between 172 or 170 and 183 is worth taking. Or 184, honestly. But, like, if you want an early entry, the closest I would get in is, like, 183.
It Meta's at 475.
Yeah, almost
Yeah, bro,
476
it
I
ripped.
saw.
Damn. Yeah, just looking across the market, I'm not seeing too much going on, at least as far as like decent setups go. I'm not seeing a lot here. SMCI, that has a gap. Oh, it's about to break it. I was gonna say it has a gap from 790 right here down to 785. So that's gonna be cool to watch. It has a consolidation break right here. So this could be good screen time for anybody watching. I was gonna take that, but just I saw it last second.
What?
SMCI at 790. That looked pretty cool. Little consolidation break there.
Damn.
Jose, I'm glad you didn't mention that. Or I'm surprised you didn't mention that. Normally you're on top of these SMCI plays. Chilling. Mario, it already broke the level last week. I think it broke it at the beginning of the week. Coin did. So as far as that setup goes at 240, I think it's reused. So I personally would skip it. Maybe nothing till maybe 250, and even then 250 kind of looks garbage.
This is where Meta, if it holds here, this is where it's gonna go. It's gonna be a struggle. Mm-mm.
Set an alert for that in case that decides to get close to 480. Yeah, Mario, especially for a stock like Coin, I don't think it's really those kinds of setups. Maybe on other stocks, maybe Nvidia makes sense. Like if a stock struggles to close above a certain level, maybe something like Nvidia makes sense because it has a lot of liquidity and follow through. But something on Coin, it's the risk to reward just isn't there. Unless it's super clean, then yeah, I just don't see it.
Damn, yeah, Coin.
Exactly, Mario. So not a bad catch though. It's good to keep your eyes open to those kinds of things. So good eye, just not the right stock.
Yo, what was your fill prices on Nvidia?
I got 961 and I sold at 1004.
It's not bad.
The spread was 5 cents, and then when I went to go sell it, widened at 20 cents. So I didn't get the top of the fill.
BA.
Tesla.
I don't know about Tesla, bro.
What did you say?
No,
Free?
I'm just chilling off of it for now.
I don't like it.
I want to see how it closes above this trend line.
You take it above 183 then?
I don't know.
I'm kind of doing a George play right here with letting the stock close above first.
Pablo said you're too late to the party. There's no levels on this is range. There's nothing in here between 170 and 183 for Tesla. Pablo said wrong. What's your year to date on Tesla, Pablo?
It actually just rejected from the high on Friday. With the double tap, we have a 183. So now this looks really good. Now this is something I would contemplate, Nor. Me personally, I'm not sure about you.
Still in fake out territory for me.
Until what level for you?
Really, it's 184.
So you wouldn't even be interested with the flat top it has at 183 with the 4-hour trendline break?
Probably not, honestly.
Okay. Okay.
Like it looks all right. It's just not. You gotta remember, this isn't the same Tesla. Yeah, look at the rejection. Hell no.
That's why I'm just waiting on it. I need more confirmation on that. I may have one other thing, maybe, but it's kind of mediocre.
Which one?
Nvidia low, in case this picks up some weakness.
At 11:30?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a flat.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is, look at Nvidia currently, and then look at the market.
Yeah, I know. That's why I mentioned maybe I have another play in case this just happens to catch some weakness, but. What's SMC? I need to make sure I know where that's at. 790 still. All right.
What happened?
I wanted to make sure where SMCI was with the NQ selling off right now.
790.
Yeah, I think we'll be good off of that for today.
BA still wants more.
Yo, NQ.
Wait, so... Oh no, it's too late for that.
No.
Never mind. Way too late. I think I touched 11:30 flat, Frankie.
11:30.46 is the low on that candle.
And then Meta coming for another high here.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just chill off Nvidia for now.
Tesla back below 180. Pablo. You like that? I don't know what Pablo's playing, rejection or upside. Oh, upside. Alright. Mm-hmm. The video with the bounce off of that.
$7 bounce.
That might be the strongest stock.
Yeah, I'm looking around right now, see if anything complemented that.
we're at low of day on ES. We're almost at low of day on NQ. Basically at low of day. If Nvidia ends up holding and we push through 1141, that's something I'm willing to take. Calls I'm looking at. Wow, ES just slipped. Nvidia, I mean not Nvidia. NQ is slipping as well. Nvidia's holding up. It's actually holding up compared to even Meta right now. I have no trends here, Frankie.
What's your plan with this?
Depending on the strength and where it holds here, I will take the upside.
Okay.
If the market's dumping like this and it can't affect it, unless it's doing its own thing, then this looks good. So we'll be able to tell soon. Let's just see what happens with the market. Because look at wow, NQ is getting smoked.
Someone could have played the inverse H there with futures.
Sheesh. All right, so you got a wick in the market. Take a look at Nvidia. Same price? Holy shit.
Kevin, we mentioned why we didn't like Tesla. Nor did. I asked why. Kevin was stressing Tesla 183.
Pretty cheap.
So
Yeah, that's the ones we were looking at. Mo, what's up? What is that? Huh?
is that Berkshire?
How is that possible? That's real? Berkshire Hathaway. There's no way.
Oh, that is Berkshire. That had to be a split, right? Or someone said a glitch.
I don't know what the hell that is. I don't follow that. I used to when I was younger. Someone said tech issue in the market? Yo, fam.
My stock is doing that?
Yo,
Oh, hell no.
Bro, imagine looking at that.
You wake up one morning, look at
Yo.
you want to look at your portfolio?
Tech issue. They better fix that tech issue.
Apple's still going. Damn.
What is?
Apple. I don't think I would have caught any of that though. I don't think I would have taken any position on this at any point. None of those entries looked good at 193 or anything above that. Do I like BA consolidation? I personally don't. No, I'm good off of it.
Tesla back. Whoa, news. Look at futures. God, from low of day to high of day on NQ and ES. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
You said like 11:40.
It all depends.
Whoever mentioned the BA consolidation, this wouldn't be bad, or this would be good screen time though to watch something like that. Trading it, paper trading it, whatever you want to do, but this would be good screen time. So in the future, you can see why maybe you like setups like this in this stock, or maybe you don't. Looked to be good so far. I'm just watching it here on this side.
Damn, market right back below day. Yeah, Nvidia is doing its own thing. Take a look at this. $1,500 is crazy.
Guys, I'm looking at SPY calls if SPY doesn't make a new low. So if it holds this area.
Millie, I think we talked about it. I think it splits on Monday. So this week it will be completely normal, and then Monday is when we'll see the new Nvidia. $10 to 1, yes sir. This is the last week we have of good old Nvidia.
How much is it gonna be? 11. What is it? 11:30.
Like, my brain cannot do math right now. 110. Yeah. 115-ish.
I'm looking at tomorrow's expiration, 529 calls. 528s are around in the money. 528s are fine too. I'm gonna play the 528s. Looking at the calls for next day expiration. If it makes a new low, then I'm not gonna be interested. to have more volume. For SPY, they're all liquid. Got my finger on the trigger here. Just want to see signs of a structure basing out. Doesn't look ready yet. Looks better now. The stop loss on this is about 40 cents, so you have to size accordingly. I'm in SPY calls. There are 528s for next day expiration. 40-cent stop loss.
Damn.
Nori, watching the video still?
Yeah.
First target hit on SPY.
SPY just popped.
Up 10%.
Nice call up. Frankie, you just that's something that's a consolidation. That 1130 is still, you know what I mean? It's still there.
I'm looking at it both ways right now, so
Yeah.
just seeing whichever comes first.
What's that next target you have on SPY?
528.80, right below 529.
Got it.
That's assuming we stay stuck in the range. Like, I'm not even anticipating a trend upwards. If we trend upwards, I'm expecting the gap fill to play out, which would be above 530. But news was like 5 minutes ago, so it's a little weird. Might take time to develop.
On what? No, he played it already. Yo, Frankie, what contracts you looking at if it did drop?
I have the 1080s right now. My alert's at 11:30:30. So
Okay.
do you like the 1080? Yeah. Do you like the 1080s? I think they're fine.
They're fine.
1100s aren't bad. Okay.
What'd you say, E? Puts. Yeah, looking at 1080 on put.
$1 away, Nor.
Yeah, I'm here. Just getting everything ready.
I just don't like that the market made a move already.
It made a new low. Kind of, yeah.
I'm still in the play, guys, for a spot. Still in the play. My stop is a hold below 60 cents.
Mm-hmm. The only way I play Nvidia downside is if we get ahead of the market. And if it does get ahead of the market, I'm looking at the 1080 puts. And the reason I'm playing it, Frank, do you want to send a screenshot of the consolidation?
Yes. Got you right now real quickly.
Put it on the 5 minute.
On the 5 minute, alright.
$11.30 is not a key level, but it is the bottom of that consolidation that's bounced off of it multiple times since pre-market. There's room down to 11.20. Has no structure yet since these are new highs basically. Obviously upside is an option if we start pushing, but right now I'm looking at the 1080 puts on the video. Oh shit. It's getting there, right?
Mm-hmm. My alert just went off.
I'm in these 1080 puts. Remember this
looks
bouncing.
good. It's doing had red candle while Inky's pushing.
Yeah. So you might get a bounce, but this is worth the risk here. Because how weak it is ahead of the market.
Where's your stop loss?
Around 1035. This is the area it bounces at, but we've gotten multiple bounces. And it's ahead of the market a little bit. I could add to this.
I hit my stop, by the way.
Okay.
Super tight for me. Just because that's kind of like a intraday play.
Market's ripping. I need to see a red candle on the market. I want to see how this affects the video. Market's just having crazy green candles. Obviously, it's going to affect Nvidia. I'm giving it a chance here. I'm going to add, if this comes down to 11:30, about a little over a half position right now. If I see any spike, I'm out though. Any real spike.
Getting ready to sell half on SPY.
Yeah, I mean, market's having crazy green candles here, and Nvidia can't seem to push. Market just had its first red candle. Let's see if we can get any type of effect on Nvidia. It's also in range, so it's going to be doing its own thing.
I'll probably retry it if it comes back down.
Keeps getting rejected at 11:35. Any serious pop over that, I'm getting out. Target's 11:20. Market with the wick. Nvidia with the wick.
Taj, yeah, same areas where I would retry it. But this time, since NQ had a push and the video was doing the opposite, this time, for my confirmation, I would want NQ going the same way that time. So
There goes that push on Nvidia, guys.
Selling half on SPY here for 9%. I sold half on SPY for 9%. If it breaks above 50 cents, I'm going to move stop to break even on the rest.
There's no serious pop past 11:35, so my finger's on the sell button if I need to get rid of this. I'm giving this another 7 minutes, so if it's stuck in the same area, I'm getting rid of it no matter what.
SPY might break out here. If it does, I'll move stop to break here. Or like a 5% loss on the rest. Still struggling with 50.
On what, SPY?
Yeah. Just can't seem to break out. SPY stuck, or is it just me?
It just moved for me.
Where is it at? I can't see.
528.16.
For me, only ES is moving. The hell?
Oh, you're on Thinkorswim for the charts?
Yeah.
528.22.
Yeah, I could see ES, so I'm good. But that's weird. Yeah, it's back. You just skipped and got up. Once we get this breakout, this should be an easy trade. Or if we get one. Trying to break out again. Something like quadruple top here.
I'm not playing upside on the video. Whatever happens, happens for that. I won't even be at the desk for that. And meta's at 477. Wow. All right.
Spy's behaving like a weirdo today. What the hell's going on?
Maki, is that your last spy trade of the day?
I have one more, but it's gonna be in like 2 hours. Just assuming it's gonna take that long to get there. I was expecting like in half an hour, but the way it's moving, it's just so slow. It'll be longer.
Peace. Spy back and forth, bro.
I might get stopped out here with the rest of these contracts. Because it tried 4 times there and it still couldn't. But as usual, I'm just gonna stick to 60 cents to stop. If it can't hold 60, I'll be out. It's approaching 20 cents away.
You like anything else for the day, bro?
Nah.